Hello, today I'm going to show you how to pay contactless with your phone using Lloyds Bank. So, step 1 is checking your phone's compatibility. Make sure that your phone supports NFC and contactless payments because iPhone users will use Apple Pay and Android users will use Google Wallet or Google Pay because without NFC enabled, contactless payments will not work. So, first, add your Lloyds card to your digital wallet. Open the Lloyds mobile banking app and log in. Go to the card section, select your debit or credit card, then tap Add to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Then confirm your card details and accept the terms to link it to your phone. Now, set your default payment card. After adding the card, open your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, then set your Lloyds card as the default payment card for faster checkout. This ensures your phone uses the correct card when you tap to pay. Now, after you do this, you can pay contactless in stores. So at the payment terminal, unlock your phone, hold the back of your phone near the card reader and confirm with Face ID, fingerprint or passcode. Your Lloyds card will be charged instantly like a contactless card. You can pay with your phone anywhere contactless payments are accepted, including shops, transport and retail stores. Mobile wallet payments work the same as tapping a physical contactless card. Now, some quick tips: keep your phone unlocked before tapping. Carry your physical card as a backup, and some terminals may ask for authentication on higher payments. Make sure your Lloyds app and wallet app are updated for a smooth setup. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.